Y'all come in a little closer because I don't want to talk too loud. I want to tell you what today's show is all about. It's all about secrets. Now, is it secrets about recipes? Or is it maybe some secrets that my boys hold? They're going to be in the kitchen cooking with me today, and I'm going to try to find out really what's going on in their lives. So y'all hang around and see if we can find some good, juicy gossip from these bad little boys. So don't go anywhere. Hey guys! Y'all about ready to get started?
Hey, Mom.
Hey!
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Got the shrimp.
Good, you got the shrimp, you got the okra. All right, son, why don't you be peeling the shrimp?
Okay.
I know you've made regular gumbo before, son. But
Yes, ma'am.
You've not made the gumbo casserole, so I want to just walk you through it, show you how easy it is, but start with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil.
All right.
And you don't even have to measure that if you don't want to, just, there you go. And I got your pan hot for you. Now, throw in your onions and your celery.
All righty.
And we're just gonna saute those off until they're soft.
How long will these take?
Oh, just a few minutes. Won't take long at all. This gumbo that we're making today is a seafood gumbo. We're gonna put shrimp in it, but you could use chicken and sausage. Now let's throw in a couple of bay leaves.
All right.
And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of lemon pepper. And I love that product. Do you cook with that at home?
I do sometimes.
I love it. All right, and then a teaspoon and a half of house seasoning.
Which is I use in everything.
I know.
All the time.
And then a teaspoon of thyme.
It smells great already.
Doesn't it smell delicious? And we're gonna add a cup of chicken stock. And then you're gonna add 1 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. So tell me what all's going on, son.
Nothing. I just
You know,
getting excited about my house.
Well, tell me about your house.
Just
Was it expensive?
Well, you paid a lot of money for it, but you're gonna love it.
I did.
It's worth every penny. I promise you. It's gotta. You did. You paid a lot of money.
How did you get my money?
You gave it to me.
I did.
You did. You're gonna love it. It's beautiful.
When did I give you the money?
You're giving it to me in increments.
Oh, I am.
Every week. All right, when does the okra go in?
Right now. All right, son. You've got this going. Let's put a lid on it. Okay, son. You got all the tails off those?
I think so.
All right, now, Bobby, I've got a pot of gumbo over here ready.
All right.
Okay, now what we're going to do is just add our shrimp, and that's probably about 2 or 3 cups.
This is a pretty quick.
Oh, it's very quick and easy. And very tasty. This is good on one of those kind of cool fall nights. All right. Now we're going to make a cornbread topping for it. So we're going to use a box of cornbread mix.
Okay.
1/3 of a cup of milk with 1 egg. And then we're just going to stir that into our cornbread mix.
Well, it looks wonderful.
Doesn't it look wonderful? Now turn this eye back on just to heat up those shrimp.
So you just want me to...
Just dump it in there, son, and just mix it until it's rather thick, because we're going to drop this in mounds on top of this, so it'll kind of make a crust on top. Take your ice cream scoop and do like 5. Perfect. All right, we're gonna put that in a 400-degree oven now, and we're gonna bake this off for about 35 minutes, because everything is done but the cornbread. We just wanna cook the cornbread.
I'm going to put that away for you.
Yeah, baby. All right, son, so if you'll put the lid back on this and just put it to the side and let it simmer, we're gonna get that shrimp gumbo out of the oven that we put in. It should be ready.
Sweet,
Ooh,
that's
it
wonderful.
is, it's bubbling. And what y'all say, let's taste this. All right, y'all taste, guys, like I've taught y'all to taste, okay?
Sneak it from the bottom?
Yes, sneak it from the bottom. What do y'all think about it, guys? Yummy. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.